they go. 4 comes out best. Southfield Hope moves right out of the boxes. Razzle Dazzle Radio takes advantage to move closer. Moving up on the inside is Nance Hunter. So Nance Hunter leading to the price from 4 Southfield Hope. They're 1 and 2. After these comes Razzle Dazzle Radio, who's back in third. A break back to 1 Tranol. The favourite Buddy Mac-Mannix towards the rear as they come around the last 2 bends. And it's 3.
Here we go, Tom. Where the hell did she go?
Have keen senses. True to their name, Springbok can leap 2 meters high. It's jumping with a purpose. It signals a warning to the others and confuses attackers.
They're into the final turn, Headway with a lot of ground to make up. Rufus King striding forward by 3 to 4 lengths here under Joe Fanning. Could take some pegging back. In second, Al Bashir, then late Volta Bengali boys. Now Headway begins to find his stride down the outside. He's got an enormous amount of ground to make up. He is cutting into the lead. Rufus King by 4, by 3, by 2. Headway flying home, thrusting, gonna get there. Good horse. Headway wins the Spring Cup.
During the 20th century, the native population is stable with an estimated 50,000 individuals. During the 18th, 19th and the first half of the 20th centuries, blackbuck was the most hunted wild animal all over India. Blackbucks are slender with a head-to-body length of about 120 cm. They are about 73 to 83 cm high at the shoulder. Males are larger than females. Adult males range in weight from 34 to 45 kilograms.
One of the most fascinating and misunderstood animals in North America. Are pronghorns faster than a cheetah? Are they antelopes or a deer? And why are they so fast? Stick around because we're answering all these questions and sharing 12 incredible facts about the pronghorn antelope. Let's jump right in. The cheetah holds the crown for the fastest land animal, reaching speeds of 70 miles per hour. But the pronghorn is a close second, clocking in at 55 miles per hour.